In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop sharing call history between two iPhones. So what you're going to do, firstly on your iPhone, go to your settings, and once you're on your settings, click on your profile here, and it's going to take you to your Apple account. So from here, scroll down, you'll see iCloud. Just tap on your iCloud, and once you get your iCloud here, then scroll down and under saving, like saving to iCloud, hit on this see all option there to expand it. So click on this see all option. From here, scroll down and till you see these phone and FaceTime option here. Once you see that, toggle the switch to turn it off. This means your phone and FaceTime history is not going to be saved on your iCloud. So make sure you turn that off. Once this is done, the next step we're going to do in addition to this, go back to settings here and scroll all the way down and select apps. And from the apps here, scroll down till you see phone. So select phone. So scroll all the way down. Here you go. Find phone. Tap on the phone. And from here, scroll all the way down here till you see under calls, you'll see call forwarding. Tap on call forwarding and make sure this is turned off so that your calls and history doesn't forward to another phone. So just make sure this is turned off. And basically that's pretty much it is.